Hello there. Today we're in Olhos De Água, right near Albufeira. It's Wednesday, the 21st of May. It's about 4 p.m. and it's horrendously hot today, guys. 30 degrees. And I thought I'd take a walk around Olhos De Água, see what it has to offer. So come and join me, guys. So on one side, we've got a beautiful view of Falesia Beach. You can see a beach bar in the background there. And then this side, we've got the stunning Olhos De Água. Very close to Albufeira, but actually total opposite. It's really nice, chilled out. It's actually a working fishing village still. So let's check it out. So I've come down the stairs, guys, and I've got to say, if you're not really good mobility wise, forget going up them stairs to that statue where I just was. I got to the top and I had to have a breather before I started the camera. Anyway, take a look at this beautiful beach. Absolutely stunning. So like I say, it still is a working fishing village. You've got the boats there, and then right opposite you've got the fishermen's huts. And then the first bar we come to is on our right there, is Caiota. I've not actually eaten in there. I've had a couple of sangrias in there with Sue. Got the tuk-tuk there. And I have just walked from the car park at the top of the hill, and it is still pretty quiet. Not yet kicked in. Maybe next week or the week after, when it's the school holidays, should get a lot busier. Even Caiota not that busy. It's got a little stall selling clothes, mainly women's clothes. We've got little statues here. From baking already, guys. There is plenty of people in the sea. Hope you can make it out. And then this little bar here, on the way past, I just bumped into a couple of our viewers. I'll just give them a shout out here. It's Steve and Carol. Here we go. Steve, Carol, nice bumping into you guys,
And you, mate.
So this guy lives in Villamora,
Yep.
and he's actually a singer,
Yep.
in the Brewery Tavern, which is
called
the brewery right next door to the Haven restaurant that we vlogged not so long ago, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
So what nights do you sing?
Sundays and Mondays,
And
6 till 9.
What type of music?
Oh, everything.
80s,
Everything,
90s?
90s, all the way through, every genre.
Right, okay, so you want to see him, guys, come check the brewery
I look
out.
forward to it.
Okay,
See
cheers
you,
mate,
Steve.
ciao.
See you, mate.
Well, that was crazy, weren't it? I didn't actually have the camera on when I walked past. So we've got a little square there with a cluster of bars and restaurants. I'm going to take a walk on the beach and see if the beach bars are open. So if you are on the beach and you want to go for a meal, you've got lovely showers there, you can wash all the sand off. There's quite a few people on the beach actually. Let's go and check it out, guys. So Sigali restaurant, one on the corner, that's closed. I'll just check if the hidden one around the corner is closed. If it is, we'll come straight back and crack on with the little square. Well, actually, the Sigali restaurant isn't closed. There's a few on the terrace there, facing the beach. And it is pretty stunning here, guys. Yeah, so there's the other beach bar. There is a couple on the terrace. I've had a drink in there, not actually had a meal. I'm blind as a bat and I can't see what it's called. I'll get a little bit closer. It's called Passaro Azul Restaurant and Bar, and they got the Deck chairs out there, sun lounges out. Got the lifeguard there giving us a shout. And there's a couple wining and dining on the terrace there. I'll show you the view from up there, guys. I've got to say, this restaurant is well hidden. Lovely and cool inside. I go onto the terrace. And there's a beautiful view while you're wining and dining. Can't beat that, guys. Well, it's really hard work walking in that sand, guys. I'm out of breath. Not too sure how much is going to be open this time of year. There's a snack bar over there on the right hand side. We've got Chica on the left hand side there. I get some prices for you guys, and over there we've got By the Sea, the little brunch cocktail bar. We've got a ice cream bar next to it. So Chica, let's see, start your day fresh. 100% natural ingredients, baked fresh. Let's have a look. Suggestions. Prawn curry, £16.50. You don't want one of them in this heat. Schnitzel, frango, chicken schnitzel, €14.50. Rigatoni, €14. Lasagna, €16. Rice with lemon, coriander. Rubalo tempura, that sounds very nice, €38. That sounds lovely, that. So, we have actually come to do a little vlog today on this restaurant here. Italian, Fratelli. It's highly recommended on TripAdvisor. And look who's here. Not again, Sue.
Getting back to the comments, I'm working.
I've just bumped into a couple there.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh,
I'll tell you about it in a bit, yeah. See you in a minute, yeah. Order me a drink, kid. So, I can't remember what this place is called. It's an English guy that runs it. Food's supposed to be excellent in there. So, you can have sandwiches, toasties, wraps, burgers. They do fish and chips. They also do like a special dish of the day, €7, which can't be bad. Let me see if we can get the name of it. I just totally, there's the owner himself there now. Sangria, let me see. It's called Pickwicks, there we go. There's the owner there just coming. Pickwicks Restaurant. And there are some stunning apartments overlooking the view of the beach, I should say. Some on the rooftop terrace there. Looks absolutely amazing. Got another pizza past the restaurant there. And you've got the sports bar there, which will be showing the United game this evening. There's quite a few people in there. There's a couple of souvenir shops. Got the cannabis shop. And then right at the end, we'll try and get the name. Galleon, the Galleon Bar. We've got more souvenir shops. And then I have just walked from the top of the hill. And there's not really a lot open, to be honest. So what I'll do, I'll leave that for another day. Maybe the height of the season. And I'm going to leave you with a beautiful view. So guys, come and check Olhos De Água out. It's a little gem. It's laid back. Perfect for families. And look at that beach, guys. If you stayed with us right to the end, guys, hit that like button. If you'd like to see more of our videos, smash that subscribe button. Hope to see you in the next one. Ciao for now.